everyone, thanks so much for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. And today's video is from Glossy Box. And this is the July 2019 Glossy Box. It always comes in an outer box, and they always include wine vouchers and HelloFresh cards, and I never use them. Excuse me. So this is what the box looks like. And let's take it out of the outer box. These are nice boxes, you know, to save things in if you need, you know, to store little items in. It's great to store, like if you have excess makeup, to store that in. And just so you know, Glossy Box is a $21 a month subscription box. You get 5 beauty items with a value of over $60. And they do have the, you know, the prepay plans available if you are interested in that. And it always comes nicely, you know, nicely packaged each month. And you always get a booklet. And we'll just open this up and see what's inside this month. Okay, this looks like it's has a good amount of products in it this month. You know, I'm always on the fence with oh my itchy nose, I'm sorry. I'm always on the fence with Glossy Box. So it's $21 a month, and then with the tax and all that, pretty much the same price as BoxyCharm. So I'm on the fence of whether I keep Glossy Box or not. And then they have a great month, and then I'm like, okay, one more month. So at one of these points, it's, you know, if as long as they continue, you know, giving good boxes, I'll keep them. But if they start, you know, going downhill, then they will go. Okay, sorry about that. I had to pause. My dog needed to go out. They always need to go out as soon as I start to film. So this is what the pamphlet looks like, and it tells us about all the products, which is nice. So let's just get right into it and see what's in here. So let's go for the first item that's on the page. And this is from Light & Denny, and this is a Miracle Mist, a speed drying spray for nail polish. Well, that's interesting. I mean, I do my own nails. I refuse to pay to have them done every couple weeks or every month. So that is nice. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in any box that I've gotten. And let me see, full size is 75 ml, and this is 75 ml, so this is full size, so that has a value of $14, so that's pretty awesome. I'm not going to complain about that at all. And it looks like we have a lipstick from Oriza Beauty, and this is the packaging. And this is a full-size product, and this has a value of $22.50. And the color, I have not a clue. This is so small. I don't know if it tells you the color. It's part of their Velvet Ribbon collection. I have no idea, so we'll just go by. Whoa, this is broke. This whole lipstick is in the tube. So here is the lipstick inside the lid with nothing in here. Oh, that's a shame. I don't know if I can get it to go back in there. I'm gonna have to play with that. I will contact Glossy Box because that doesn't do me any good if I can't use the lipstick. I'm not even going to try to get the lid back on. So I'm just going to rest this back here. That's a shame because that looks like a nice color. So I will contact Glossy Box and have them send me out a new lipstick. That's pretty sad. So this is from Jurlique. Never heard of Jurlique. And this is a Rose Water Balancing Mist, and full size is 15 ml. And let's see, and this is 15 ml, so full size has a value of $69. Wow, that's expensive. And this is what the packaging looks like. glass bottle. I mean, it is very small, but this is a mist that will bring your inner glow to the surface as it hydrates, shields, and balances your skin's pH level. Plus, the fragrance will leave you feeling rosy and in a perfect way freshen up in between and after makeup. It definitely smells like rose, but not a heavy scent of rose. But that is a nice glass bottle. So, okay. I mean, $69. I'm glad we're getting it in a box because there's no way I would pay $69. The next product is from, I guess it's True Luscious is the brand. Luscious Cosmetics. And this is Camera Powder. This is one compact. So I guess this is their full size. And this is Invisible Setting Powder. Right here. And let's see if we can open this. See what it looks like on the inside. Oh, that's really adorable packaging. Very, very nice. Let's see if I can get it open. I struggle with these type things all the time. I know you can just press on it, but can never get these open. I guess here we go. Oh, so this is like, and it has no mirror. So it's just, you know, like a white powder. It's actually pretty nice. Camera powder. I love the packaging. I think the packaging would sell. I know a lot of people are suckers for good packaging, and myself included. So that's nice. So that's $22. Oh no, that's not $22.50. That is $29. Well, that's kind of pricey too. So it seems like we're getting quite a few full size. It seems like all of these are almost full size, which is great. If they continue to do that, then they're right in line, excuse me, with some of the other boxes for the price, and then I don't mind. I will keep Glossy Box. Then the last one is from After Spa. This is what it looks like right here. And this is an amazing makeup remover. And this is a value of $5. So I'm not going to open this because I have so many of these. I just might save this and put it in a giveaway and let one of you enjoy this. And it's just your typical, you know, your makeup cloth that you use, you know, you wet it to, and you can use your cleansers or just water with it. Doesn't matter. It's your makeup cloth. You can do whatever you want. So I don't think that that is a horrible box. Loving that we're getting a speed drying spray for nail polish. I think that that is phenomenal. All besides the broken lipstick, which let's see what kind of customer service Glossy Box has, because I've never had to contact them and get a new one sent out to me. And other than that, I think this box for July is a great box. So if I had any thoughts of canceling it, I won't be canceling it now. And I think this is phenomenal. So that is the video for today. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about Glossy. Do you get it? Would you get it? I mean, I'm thinking these products, they are definitely improving and stepping up their game. And I think they kind of have to if they want to have their box be a success and have people purchase their box. And don't forget to like this video and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.